Hello students, welcome to NGC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter 3 of computer. Topic name Modification of Cell, Row and Column. Now before study about the modification of row, column and cell, let's see what are the different modifications possible with row, column and cell. As you can see in the picture, different types of modifications are possible. That is insert, delete, hide row and column, change of height, change of width, wrap of text and merge of cell. So, in this video, we will learn about two modifications, that is change of height and width of row and column respectively. In Excel, by default, every row and column having same height and width, as you can see in the picture. And Excel allows you to modify column width and row height in different ways. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about different ways to change column width and row height. Now let's first see how to edit the cell. First, double click the cell that contains data that you want to edit. And second, click the cell that contains the data that you want to edit and then press F2. Now let's open the Excel and try this out. Now this is my Excel application. Now you can see the Excel shortcut. In that, suppose I want to type in cell D3. So first I'll click on the D3. Now you can see the black color border within my Excel. So first, double click on the D3 cell with the help of mouse. Now you will get the cursor on it, and now you can type whatever you want to type, like computer. I'm typing computer, enter. Okay. So now second way to edit the cell. Now suppose I want to type in H3. Where is H3? Yes, this is my H3. So now I'm using my function key, that is F2. So first you have to press the function key. You can see the cursor over there in H3 cell. Now you can type whatever you want to type. Good. And so now you can see this is a two-way to edit the cell. Now let's see first way to modify the column. Now first position the mouse over the column line in the column head. So the cursor becomes the double arrow. Now you can see this double arrow. Next step, click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the column. And here in the picture you can see it is in the increasing order. And the last, release the mouse and the column will simply change. In the picture, the column will change. Now let's open the Excel and try it out. How to change the column. Now, this is my Excel sheet. Now I type in the cell F4 MJC learning. I see learning. Now as you can see, this spelling is not properly fitting in the cell. So I have to increase the column. So first I'll place my cursor on between F and G. That is my column line, and it will become the double arrow. Now click the mouse and increase the column width, and now release the mouse. Now you can see it's now properly fitting in the cell. So this is the way to change the column. Once again I will repeat. Suppose I want to decrease. So what I do, again I will place the cursor between F and G. I'll click the mouse. I'll drag it on the left hand side to release. Now release the mouse. So have you understood? This is the way to change the column width. Now let's see the note. Things to remember. With numerical data, the cell will display the pound sign, this hash sign as you can see in the bracket, if the column is too narrow. So simply increase the column width to make the data visible. Now let's see in the Excel sheet again. So in the Excel sheet, I am typing the number in cell H3 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, enter. Now as you can see on the screen, the numbers are not visible properly. So what we have to do, adjust the column. Drag the mouse between H and I. Now release the mouse. Now you can see the number properly. Now let's see the second way to auto fit column. Now what is auto fit column? The auto fit feature will allow you to set a column to fit its content automatically. First, position the mouse over the column line in the column heading so the cursor becomes the double arrow as you can see. Now next step, double click the mouse, the column width will be changed automatically to fit the content. Now let's open Excel and try how to change the column width by using auto fit column. Now in the Excel, suppose I am typing the spelling in F4, computer science. Now, as you can see, the data in the cell F4, computer science, it is not properly fitting in the cell. So first, I have to position the mouse over the column line that is between F and G. Now you can see my cursor change into the double arrow. Now, simply double click the mouse. Now see, it automatically changed column width. So this is the second way and the simple way to change the column width automatically. Now let's see the note. Things to remember. You can also auto-fit the width for several columns at the same time. Simply select the column you want to auto-fit. Then select the auto-fit column. You can see in the picture. Command from the format drop-down menu on the Home tab. This method can also be used for the row height. Now let's see this auto-fit is practical. Now in the Excel sheet, as you can see in the F4 cell, computer science is not properly fitting. So we have to use the auto-fit option. So in the Home tab, you can see on the right hand side cell section. Format, the last option format. You have to click on that format option. In this, you can see the auto-fit column. So first, select the F4, go to the format, select the auto-fit column, click on that. Now you can see the computer science is properly fitting. Now are the two ways to change the column. Now let's see how to change the row height. First, position the cursor over the row line so the cursor becomes the double arrow. As you can see in the picture, it's called the double arrow. Second step, click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the row height. So here you can see in the picture it is increasing in the order. And the third and the last step, you have to release the mouse. The height of the selected row will be changed. As you can see in the picture. Now let's see practically in the Excel application how to change the row height. So for changing the row height, I type in one of the rows, that is A2. Type the spelling information technology. As already we have learned the changing of column keys, so we'll double click between A and B. Now I want to change the row height. So what I'll do, I'll keep my cursor between 2 and 3 row lines, click the mouse and drag the mouse down. Release the mouse. Now you can see my row height has changed. Now as we have seen already, first option, how to change the row height by clicking and dragging. Now the second option we'll see, that is auto fit row height. Again same way you have to go to the format option. Then the second option is auto fit row height. So first you have to select the row, go to the format, select the auto fit row height. Now as you can see in the picture, the row automatically changes. Now let's see to modify all rows or columns. Instead of presenting rows and columns individually, you can modify the height and width of every row and column at the same time. This method allows you to set a uniform height for every row and column in your worksheet. Now let's say in our example, we will set a uniform row height. To set a uniform row height, first to locate and click the Select All button just above below the name box. As you can see in the picture, to select every cell in the worksheet. Second, position the mouse over a row line so the cursor becomes the double arrow. And third, click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the row height and then release the mouse when you are satisfied. The row height will be changed for the entire worksheet. Now let's see the practically how to set the uniform row height. First, locate and click the Select All button just below the name box to select every cell in the worksheet. You can see full worksheet has been selected. Now the second, position the mouse over a row line so the cursor becomes a double arrow. As you can see, I have kept my arrow between 2 and 3, so it becomes the double arrow. Now the third, click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the row height. While increasing the height, I'll release the mouse. Now, as you can see in the screen, all the rows have been changed uniformly. Same way you can do with the column also. I'll keep the mouse and drag the mouse. It has been changed uniformly. Now, in this video, we have learned different ways to change row height and column width, as well as how to edit the cell. So, try this practical by yourself. Open the MS Excel. Enter Microsoft Excel 2007 in cell D2 and use autofit column for cell